Lecture we will see planar milling for open profile. See, this is a open profile. I want to create planar milling for this open area. So this is my MCS and I'm going to define my part and blank as a bounding block. Okay, now I'm going to create a tool. So I'm selecting tool from the library and the tool is this one, 16, this one is 12, 25. So for this open area I'm going to use this 12. Okay, and cancel it. Now I'm going to edit it and the length is 18. Change it to 40 or 45. Okay, so now it is 40. So enter the tool number. Okay, now I want to use this tool for this planar milling. So click here for planar milling and my location is program and tool is 12 millimeter anvil workpiece and my method is finish. Click OK. And here first we have to define this part boundary and I'm using this curve to define the boundary. Okay, this green is the start and the red point is the end point, and change boundary to open, so open boundary will come, and the tool side is right, so I'm going to change it to left, it will come inside and click OK. And part stock, if you want to assign some stock, so assign this. Now specify the floor, so this is floor for the depth, so I'm dragging it a little bit up. Okay, so it will generate the tool path up to this floor only, and I'm using this as a profile. Okay, if I'm using this follow part, let's see what will be the result. And the common depth is 1, and from the geometry specify the blank geometry for this planar milling curve. Select the single curve and make sure it should be open and tool side is left, that is okay, and nothing is to be drum boundary. And see this one, if I'm selecting this as a follow part, then this will be the result, and see this result. Okay, this will be the result and it is up to the floor. Okay, I'm going to change this floor to 0 and I want to change this as a profile. Okay, and it will generate only one single profile along the wall. Let's see, because this is an open profile, so this will come. Okay, now I'm going to add some additional passes like 3 and generate it. That's it. Click. So in this way we can create toolpath for open profile, and rest options are the same as we have done in previous operations. So click OK. This planar milling with open profile.